Is your Mazda CX-9 Smart Key 2016 to 2019 not working, or is the case stuck? A dead CR2032 battery is the most common culprit. This section covers the essential steps to replace it yourself and restore functionality. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small plastic pry tool like a guitar pick, and a small screwdriver. First, gently pry open the key fob case. Many cases stick due to adhesive degradation, so use the plastic pry tool to avoid damage. If stuck, use a hairdryer to gently heat the glue. Once open, replace the CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity with the positive side up. Reassemble the case, ensuring it snaps shut securely. Test the remote by unlocking your car from about 50 feet away. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery contacts for corrosion. This DIY fix typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and saves you a trip to the dealership.